Right, let's see if this actually works today. Come on, give me a link. Give me a link. Oh, come on, come on. No current live stream. Well, it should be. Stop recording. Why is this not working? Come on. What's for settings? Stream. Primary YouTube server. Camera trades. Yes, 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 yes. Output. Audio. Maybe it just takes a minute to get on. Fucking hell, San, it's fucking hot. Why can't I see my own channel? Come on. Live. There we go. Testing, testing, testing. Testicles 1, 2. Why can't I see my own channel? Come on. Okay. Live. There we go. I have no idea what inputs. Oh, let's try that. Desktop audio, I'm gonna turn down. I'm hoping. I'm hoping that that change is gonna improve the audio. Live. I have no idea what inputs. Oh, let's try that. Desktop audio, I'm gonna turn it down. I'm hoping. Okay, well that doesn't sound like it's actually made any difference, unfortunately, but... Oh shit, wrong way, wrong way. Hello, hello, hello. Let's we'll start on our profiling chart. Let me put up a quick message. How do I share the stream? No idea what I'm doing, so... Share. Copy link. Oh my god. Dude, technical difficulties on the go. Okay, I'm live, so I will leave a link here. Click that if you want to come watch me trade NQ and lose a load of money. Watch me trade NQ and lose a load of money. Okay, I'm live, so I will leave a link here. Click that if you want to come watch me trade NQ and lose a load of money. Okay, I'm live, so I will leave a link here. Click that if you want to come watch me trade NQ and lose a load of money. Let me mute that. What are we? 49. Oh, the opening range is formed. Okay, I'm live. Click the link if you want to come see me lose a load of money trading NQ. Okay, I'm live. Click the link if you want to come see me lose a load of money trading NQ. Okay, I'm live. Click the link if you want to come see me lose a load of money trading NQ. Okay, I'm live. Click the link if you want to come see me lose a load of money trading NQ. Okay, I'm live. Click the link if you want to come see me lose a load of money trading NQ. Okay, I'm live. Click the link if you want to come see me lose a load of money trading NQ. Okay, I'm live. Click. Okay, that needs to shut up. Let's open this so I can see the chat. Because yesterday somebody was kicking off because I can't read the chat at the same time as this. Okie dokie dokes. Let me close YouTube down. And the last final thing I need to do quickly is this. Delete that. Pop that in there. Oh, I can't do it. 160 characters over. Is that over? Is that... Okay, that's... How do I pin that? Can I pin a chat? Pin it? Oh, fucking no. Apparently not. Participant startups. Okay, no idea how I pin that. Can I pin it from here? No. Okay. We are live and rocking. So what am I looking at the moment? At the minute, not that, not that. I'm looking at this. Oh, I've set up my cash profile wrong. I'm not really expecting much today, honestly. I'm in two minds whether I think NQ is gonna push, which it might do. So I've got a target sitting around 939, which is right about the top of this little high volume node we have over here, which it looks like it's pushing for now. What I'm going to do before anything else is get my opening range drawn out. So it's going to be here to here. Have we broken out already? Oh, it could be actually on for a trade here. I'm coming back to retest the opening range already. So what I want to see is absorption. Let me get to the correct. Let me get to the correct screen that I want. So it actually sort of makes sense. We're breaking out of the 5-minute value area, which is that there. I'm going to struggle to show both of my screens. So what I'm showing at the minute is the 1-minute chart and a tick chart, or a range chart. Provided that I am on the right screen. Yeah, it's just not updated on the stream yet. So we're broken out of the opening range high here. I suspect the stream is probably 3 or 4 minutes delayed. But what I want to see, let me bring, that can't be right surely. Oh, it is actually. Okay, okay. But 6 minutes until 10 a.m. So potentially a pull back down to where these big buyers were sitting, and um, a 10 a.m. reversal. If we see some more absorption down here, I want to see what's this volume profile like from here to here. Yeah, that looks pretty good, honestly. Big cells coming in. That's tapping right on the area that I want. I'm gonna open. So I'll be looking for something like, oh, something even like that would be nice, you know? But I don't want to get in too early. If it was somewhere like here, I'm looking maybe four cons. I can't see. Oh yeah, look at that. Seeing some more volume, aggressive buying. Got big sellers sat in the area above though. .55 minutes past, so 5 minutes till 10 a.m. What we could get is like maybe a sweep of this and then a 10 a.m. reversal potentially. But like I say, I'm in two minds as to. Oh, don't need that. I'm in two minds as to what I think price wants to do. Heavy selling coming in, heavy aggression from sellers, but not really getting any result. Might go four cons on here. I want to see these buyers, sorry, these sellers really get put underwater here. Retesting the area. No, I think it's gonna follow through. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient with this. Want to see some results from the buyers if it's gonna go higher, but sellers are struggling to push the price down any lower here, though. Are they gonna follow through, or are we gonna get a push back higher? This is a very low area of volume, so if we get back up there, I think we just slice through it. But okay, so sellers have taken over. What was the aggression like down here? Let me move. Oh fuck! I got my deep charts thing in the way. I want to take off the price here. So sellers exactly where we are now actually is where there was high sell aggression, but not really any follow through, which these buyers took over. So if we get a push from here, so we know there's buyers in the area here. Getting lots more volume coming in here. Sellers aggressive, not really getting any result again. There's the buyers stepping in. Buyers stepping in heavy. $2,990. How does that look on my profiling chart? 2,990. Yeah, this is the sort of target I had yesterday. I think sellers are just keeping control at the moment. Oh, there we go. The buyers are on. I want to see how they react here, though. Are the buyers going to hold that level? It's it's not it's not super appealing to me right now, honestly. And the reason being is we've dropped down back into this sort of high value area. We've had a test above it, and it looks like a failed auction currently. So I could see price coming back down to here, back down to here. But I think we just need to see what price wants to do currently. Who wants to take control of this session? Oh god, I got the hiccups. Buyer's just getting absolutely destroyed here. I was quite aggressive with my plays yesterday. I think I was about $1,600 down before. Okay, so here we go. Before I recovered it and ended up about $100 up. So 10 a.m. we can see massive selling coming in. Look at the break. And the buyers stepping in. Heavy buyers stepping in. Heavy sells going absolutely nowhere. Buyers trying to take over, I think. Touching the bottom of the value area. Sorry, bottom of the open range here. So like this here, this actually could be a nice move if the sellers get destroyed here, which at the minute it looks like they are failing. I might take a little stab here, 2 cons. How does this look in terms of profiling? Actually pretty good. Okay. I think this is going to run. I'm not sure I'll get an entry on this, but I think this is going to... Yeah, so I want to see how it reacts here. Okay, I'm going to go 2 cons. Going to go 2 cons there.
Order filled.
Order filled. Risking $300. I want to see buyers push from here. And I want to target, ideally, like my overall target is what I call the Orb 75, so 2990 would be there. Okay, let's see, here we go. Are we going to have a 10 a.m. reversal? Or are we going to get slapped out? I wouldn't mind actually seeing a... we've actually hit the value area low of this 1 minute chart as well. If we see a slap down to 282 and a push, like that, I might actually add 2 more contracts. I'm already sort of at my risk tolerance for this account though, so I don't want to over leverage. We're struggling here. I think 675 would be a logical stop on this. Okay, I'm reducing my risk, so we're now only $100 risk on this. Yeah, I'm going to bring it down to 275. Because if we drop from here, then the sellers have taken back over. But if we start to push again, I will add more contracts. Like that. If we push past this area where sellers were previously, this is where I'm going to add. But I want to see how price reacts here. Is it going to push? Is it going to push? I want to see this. I want to see this effort box get traded through. No, I think it's going to be a failure here. Yeah, big failure.
Order filled.
Big failure. Order filled. So I'm down $76 on that. So it's about a minus 0.3R. Which is fine. Yeah, you see how this area here that we had lined up before got respected. Yeah, it's hot in here, bro. I need to get that aircon cooking up a bit. I still don't think it's necessarily a bad idea, but if we break the opening range low, then I think it probably goes lower. This 5 minute profile, honestly, it's not the ideal. I think it might have just been a retest of that area here. Yeah, I think this is going to be a 10 a.m., isn't it? I think it might just be a 10 a.m. I'm not too sure what it wants to do currently. We're sort of building value in this area. Look through, push back up. Back to the POC of this swing here. In fact, we're pushing higher again though. But we're right at this POC level. I'm not super confident in it. If anything, looking at the 5 minute, I have a feeling it might go back to the lower end of this volume profile. Show somewhere like this potentially. We've also reached the weekly volume profile top, so let me just check if that bloody music's. I think it might just be a 10 a.m. I'm not too sure. No, I can't hear it, so I think that's what it should be. I think that's what it should be anyway. Yeah, there's not really much going on here for me at the minute, so I think it's just a sit back and wait type of day. A break below here could be more interesting. If we look on a bit of a shorter term of this volume profile, actually, let's have a look. Yeah, actually, you know what? That here, break below here could be nice, actually. I'm going to remove that area there, and I'm going to replace it with something like that. It's quite a high area. Yeah, I like the look of this, honestly. So break below here. So where we had a test just before. We had a test of it. Levels below here could be looking at. Could be looking back at the POC of the weekly volume profile, so like around 430, something like that. Buyers trying to step in heavy here. Yeah, we're just building around this area. Could just be an edges bounce. Could be a play just back up to here, but it's not as probable for me. What I would like to see though is I think a push down makes sense towards 29,300 maybe. Would be a good target on the hourly. Also the Asia low. So this could just be a sweep. This is a sweep of yesterday's high and a push back lower. Yeah, I like the idea of this going lower now actually. We're starting to see sellers coming in aggressively. Yeah, this is nice. So I wanna target something like this. I wanna test back up here. I'm gonna go for 5 cons. I don't know, we're gonna get a retest though. Oh shit. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Go on, give us a retest. I'll drop 5 cons on this bad boy. Not 15, 5 cons. Fuck me. Oh, look at it just absolutely tearing down. Come on, give me a bit of a... Oh, it's going to run without us, isn't it? How unfortunate. Really nice trade as well. Would have been a really nice trade if you could have caught that. But it is what it is. I'm not going to jump back onto it or like try and catch it as it's fallen. But if we get a retest up to here, no, we're not going to get it. Damn, son. Look at the sellers coming in. We are reacting off this Gex level though. The sellers are pushing hard and don't seem to be getting much result at the minute. A little scalped out there maybe. Doesn't really tickle my pickle right now if I'm honest. Oh, that's a shame. Shame we couldn't get on that. Do I really want to get back on this now if it comes back up after it's moved so far? I'm getting less tempted by it, honestly. I think we had for around about 426, 420, 426 by stepping in now. I wonder if I can get the music on the stream. It's not copyrighted because it's lo-fi. I don't know. Buyers reacting off that Gex. Do I just chase this down from here maybe? How low can you go is the question. We're 426. Yeah. I mean it's not the worst idea in the world. 3 cons on it maybe. Let's see how... Oh, yeah, you know what? It doesn't look the worst idea in the world. It doesn't look bad at all now I think about it. If we break this area... Oh, okay, filled. I'm in there. For 426. Okay, I want to see this push. Oh, I can't actually see. Okay, that is higher. Where did my fill go in there? Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there because we've got a lot of selling coming in, which is nice. So if it retraces, I might get stopped out, but also means that it's probably not worth being in. Oh, I feel like I might just get taken out of this, and then I got a really bad fill. I got filled halfway down this candle somewhere. Oh well, it's not much I can do about it, honestly. So, oh Jesus, what? Where did I actually get filled on this? 524. Fucking hell, I got filled 20 points below where where I was meant to. I got filled there. It's only like a 1.7 R here. Oh well, fuck it. 1.7 R is better than no R. It looks like we're gonna get played off the edge. So this is the edge that I was mentioning before, the high volume node on the 5 minute. Where was it? Oh, my OBS has decided not to work. Beautiful. Okay, well this is a, a low volume node that was tested before. So, or that we looked up before. It's really hard to try and narrate what you're doing while you're trading, honestly. I'm still in this position, currently up $200, but I am thinking it's honestly less probable now. I think we're just going to get stopped out in a second because look at the volume building here. Top of the edge. If we cut through this, if we top that candle, it goes higher. Okay, what are the targets have we got? If we can follow it down, I think 308 makes sense, honestly. 308 would be, we'll go, say, 310, $1,200. That would be nice. Am I expecting to get there? Not really, but I'll take whatever the market will give me. Oh, I think I've got 312 marked there. Okay, we're up about $400. So now I'm looking to start managing my risk here. Big sells here, big sell delta. Getting eaten though. So I probably want to be 515 is my stop. So get a couple of points off there. So we're now $52 guaranteed profit. Although I'm liking this. I'm liking the push from the sellers. Send it lower. Send it lower. I don't have any gex levels under here marked. I am flying blind here. I think that target 308 is the one, honestly. I could even see it going as low as maybe 220, something like that, but that's a big move for a day. Okay, I'm gonna increase my stops to 480. 482. Okay, so we're now guaranteed $250 in profit. Currently running about 2R, I think. Expected to see a little bit of retracement here. We have got some big effort zones, hopefully guarding the way for the sellers, which would be nice. Let's see if these big sells can hold up here. If they do hold, I'm gonna bring profits down again. I don't want to let this don't want to let a good trade go into negative. Okay, so 438. Look at that. Look at that. 438. 430. I'm gonna go for 440. So we're $500 guaranteed profit now. This is just selling, selling, selling. 308 is the target. If we hit 308, I'm done for the day. Big sellers coming in again. More selling, more selling. Fuck me, should have loaded up on these contracts, shouldn't I? What did we go? Three cons. Okay, buyers heavy coming in here. 415 is going to be my I'm gonna go 420. $600 guaranteed. I think we're gonna get taken out here, boys. 620 is my. Yeah, are we out? Are we out? Can the sellers hold it? Can the sellers hold it? Can they hold it? Big sells coming in. Buyers trying to fight back. Sellers trying to keep control. Sellers trying to hold it. Buyers, I think, are taking over though. Sellers stepping in again. That's a big seller, but not really getting anywhere with it. I'm thinking buyers are going to take this, honestly. Do you know what? I'm gonna take that there. No, I'm not. No, I'm not, because it didn't take me out. Oh my god. I went to move the stop and it's. How do I flatten? Do I take it? Do I take it? Do I keep it? Do I keep it? Are they gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh, it's mayhem. The sellers are coming in hard. Go on, boys. Go on. Push it. Push it. Push it down. Go on, son. Nah, they're getting held up here. The buyer's gonna take this back here. There's no way. No way. Go on. Go on. Fucking push past it. Oh my god. How? How did they keep that? Go on, reject off that big seller there. Straight down, push it down. Look how close this is. I was 2 points away from my stop loss. Well, not a stop loss, but a trailing stop. But this is madness. If we break here and go all the way to full TP, I'll be happy with that. But I just don't see it happening. The more I say that, the more it's trying to prove me wrong, I think. If it breaks this area, though, we could be seeing much lower pricing. Go on, push it, push it. Ooh, push it. Go on. Go on, prove me wrong. Push it. No, no, no. Doesn't want it. Doesn't want it. Let's see what's going on a shorter time frame here. So actually, I'm gonna go back for 1825. That is my trailing, and the reason being is because it's just above this area where big buyers were rejected. So if they were rejected there before and would break, it means they're no longer being rejected. But this might be it for the day. I'm not feeling too aggressive today, so if this is all we catch, I'm happy with that.
Order filled.
Okay, there you go. Trailed out there for what was my stop? It was 413. Okay, so trailed out there for about 2 hours. Not bad, not bad. Up $500 on the day. Not bad at all. Now do we catch this back to the upside? That is the question. That is the question. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that there. How close to that 308 level did we get? We weren't fucking far off it, honestly. Well, we were 50 points away from it. So, but let's see if these big buyers here get if these get respected. Shit, I wouldn't be opposed to following this back up, honestly. We've had a nice build of value. Oh, look at it go, look at it go. Nice little build of value here, cut through. Where are we, where are we? Oh, it is ripping. How does this look on the profile and chart? Ah, so this is quite interesting, but I don't think it will let me. For some reason, my cash There we go. The interesting thing here is we've hit the POC value area low and we've rejected straight from that. So what did I say? 418 it was. So this is where I got out. And now we're looking to push higher. We are building higher value here, it seems, in terms of cash session profiling. So we could be looking to just go higher here. I'm not sure why. Okay, I'm not sure what's wrong with OBS. It doesn't seem to like that screen for some reason. Look at the buys, Jesus. Oh, imagine if we'd have got on that. That would have been sick. 9R trade. Even on one contract, that'd be sick. The question is it a full-on reversal, or are we just going to tickle the balls and go lower? But given how directional this move is, like even sort of this move, I wouldn't really be opposed to. Can I copy that over here actually? Uh, no, I can't. That's a shit. Look at the look how much I've ticked that. Oh, I should have got it. Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake, Jimmy. That's annoying. I was trying to bring over my buy tool. I wanted something like that. More of a scalpy type trade this would be anyway. We see how that's 1 second. 75. 75. Just go one con in, one con. One con for the boys. I'm going back to the start. Alright, let's see how it goes here. I want to see this level hold. If this level here... Oh, 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 it's collapsing. It's collapsing. Yeah, see, told it could just be a bit of a tickle the ball scenario, this one. Sellers coming in heavy. We've got this big buyer absorbed up here. Still not convinced either way necessarily of where it wants to go. I like to look more so at the 5-minute profile. Actually, do you know what? We're right in that high value area. So I could see it just stalling here, to be honest. That's nice though. That little push there. Oh, I say a little push. This isn't a great profile for me. We've got too many sort of gaps where we're just sort of slicing through. I think if we start to build this sort of profile a bit more, if we hang around in this area, it looks like we're building higher value. So if we break, retest, push higher maybe. What time is it? Oh, I've been trading, what, 45 minutes? We're up nearly $600 on the day, so don't really need to push too much. See, it's fucking about in this area. And that's an error of balance, essentially. caught a nice trade earlier. We caught this nice move down. So, oh, there you go. See, breaking out the bottom. Big seller coming in there. Jesus. Sorry, buyer. Buyer coming in. If that goes underwater, we are definitely going lower. But I still think this could be reversal potential. Until we break this, like, that's, you know, you're going down. But if this buyer gets eaten up, fuck me. Oh, sell aggression as well. Value area low. Could go for a bounce higher here. Even up to the high there be... What's the sell aggression? Yeah, that's gonna go. That's gonna go, boys. Oh, look at it. Look at it flying. Wonder if it's gonna go for that 308 target after all. It's just nowhere for me to really realistically get on it. I'd need to be somewhere like that. I could actually go 2 cons on here. I'm gonna go
Order filled.
two cons there. I want 441 is my stop. I want to see this flush nicely and quickly. Sell aggression coming in. It's nice. Take profit's going to be... I'm going to go back for that 308 number. Sellers stepping in hard here. Sorry, buyers, I mean. I want to see them go underwater quickly. I'm going to get rid of this because it's confusing. So this is essentially the trade idea. I want to see the push. Okay, so it's a little bit of a lower entry than what I would have liked. We're still getting that sort of value building. Want to see a flush? Want to see a flush? Want to see a flush? Come on, give me a flush. Give me a royal fucking flush, mate. No, I'm
Order
gonna
filled.
take that off that. Okay, I took that off there because there was massive buy aggression came in. What did I lose? $124. That's fine. Okay, so yeah, look at that. Look at that. So that was about half an hour. So what have we done today? We've done minus 0.3, minus 0.8, 2R, about, I don't know, 1.2R, sorry, 1.8R, something like that maybe. Yeah, look, value area low tap, back to the highs. I think I'll probably just call it there for a day. Just trying to get a bit cheeky on the old multi-trades. Find this a lot. I take one trade, I'll get a nice trade, and then the next one is normally not so nice. I think we're just building between this area and we're still sort of testing that value area. Where's my 5-minute chart gone? Yeah, she is. There's not really any volume down here, we're just filling in the gap. Hmm. Hmm. Especially after having such a move down as well. Like, we caught this move all the way down, or, you know, at least most of the way down. Do I really want to fuck about and potentially give back some of my profits for the day? Not, not really. Not really. I've already given, what, another $200 back to the market? If I do take... If I do take another one, it's going to be lower risk, I think. Bloody hell, son. Still, see, this is the problem though. You have a number in your head. I'm going, oh, I want to see it go to that 308, 308 number, 303. Like that's my end target. If it does get there, then what? You know, it's got to be worth from here to, you know, if I get 308's not far away. It's you know it's a 1.5 R, and that's you know I'll take what the market will give me, but I don't I don't really think it's worth. It's not really worth the risk, honestly. You know, you gotta weigh these things up. If it's not worth the risk, it's not worth the risk. Even before we got trailed out at what, a two R or something like that. This area is looking more like it has some more potential though. Oh Jesus, bloody hell! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What's silver doing? Fucking! Oh my god! What is that candle? Oh bro! Fucking hell! Don't like fucking why I bought gold at $100 or whatever it was. Not gold, silver. What am I talking about? It was not not a good play at all. Sandbagging the shit out of that now. But fuck it. It is what it is. Oh, could you have played the edges here? No, I wouldn't have played that. I'm sort of going off that model, honestly, because it's like it's hard to get on side with more than anything. Oh, I didn't even. Oh, I didn't even record that trade that I got. Oh well. In fact, I'm gonna go back and plot that trade on deep charts. Where was it? 524.50. 524. Oh fuck it, that'll do. 524.50 to 418.25. 41. Something like that. Yeah, that was it. That was the boy. Gonna give a little snippety snip of that. It actually wasn't that bad. It was 2.7 or trailed out. Does it actually say where I placed my stop loss initially on this? No, it doesn't. Yeah, well. Yeah, well. Where was the last trade I took? That was not an ideal one. Yeah, I tried to take the short of this. This is the problem when you have these moves and then you start building a value area, but you don't really realize that you're in it yet. So I tried to catch the aggression from the sellers after swallowing up this buyer. Came down to here, and it was a good takeoff by me, to be fair. If I didn't take it off, it would have been a much bigger loss, but it was pretty well managed, I would say. I don't think the entry on it was that good either, honestly. So I really wish I'd have got that trade on deep charts. So I could have recorded it. Could have recorded it. Time's at 9:30, so it's 10:30 a.m. I'm not going to stick around for too much longer. Um, Given we're up $500 on the day, or sorry, $400 on the day now. Oh, 400, 500. What's $100 between friends, eh? I mean, the market definitely is not your friend, but the market is not your friend. All right, these value areas are building out nicely now. Nicely. I'm gonna bring that there. I'm gonna bring that to there. So what I'm doing here is outlining the value area high and sorry. Well, it is. I'm outlining the value area high and the value area low, but in doing that, what I'm doing is going from these high peak areas to low peak areas. And that's the sort of range I want to watch, and I want to make sure that when I'm getting into a trade, two models, either my reversal model, which is sort of what you're seeing play out here, hit the value area low, back to the value area high, back to the value area low, back to the value area high. Why does that sound like such a tongue twister? Back to the value area low, probably back to the value area high, and you see this sort of reversion to the mean. So you have a point of control in the middle, and price will imagine an elastic band from that middle point to the top and the bottom. Price is bringing it up, and it's bringing it back down to the middle. Price is bringing it down to the bottom, and it's bringing it back to the middle, up to the top, and so on and so forth. And then eventually, that elastic band is going to snap, and when it does snap, it's going to fucking fly, mate. Like it might do here. So 308 is the target I'm watching. Lower than that, we're looking at 132 maybe. 263 potentially. Here we go, right, let's lock in. Okay, so there's the break. Now I want to see a retest of this value area low. Do you know what? That area there would be really nice. This would be nicer. Don't think we're going to get on it. Okay, so I think it's going to push. It's going to push without me. If it goes without me, it goes without me. I am not chasing. I'm not chasing this. There you go, there's 308's gone. Oh, look at the aggression. What I do like, though, is... Okay, we've taken that level 2. I think it's going to probably tease me if I try and get on here. I'd want to see some sort of retracement. Really, really up to this level. If I'm going to get on side with it, it's got to be up here. It's got to be worth it for me. And in terms of profiling, the next sort of levels down, I'm looking at 150, 150 and 29k. So let's see. Let's see how we go here. I would really like to see this area here get retested. But this is a beautiful example of a profile break. Yeah, very little volume here. Yeah, so these buyers here, right there. Oh, sorry, sellers coming in, but the sellers have to match buyers. So I am feeling a little cheeky, honestly. Cheeky one con. But again, the fact I'm saying it's a cheeky move.
Order
I'm
filled.
going to take one contract and I'm going to go break even straight away. So we'll break even on this move now. And now I'm going to follow price if it lets me. If it doesn't, it takes me out, and that's fine with me. But if we've managed to catch this break, and we don't know how far this break's going to go, if it's going to go anywhere, but it might, and if it does, then I'm gonna take it all the way down, baby. Okay, so my I really don't really have a target for this currently. I'm gonna go 29k. 29k seems like a good target. Price just seems to want to fucking melt, honestly. Okay, let's see what happens here. Again, like this will be my last trade regardless. I'm gonna follow it down. I'm gonna follow the money, baby. Currently running $165 in profit. I'm not feeling super aggressive today, so I've only got one contract in this, but I'm now up $200 on this position. Buyers are stepping in, not seemingly getting much of a result. Although we're hitting a can't think. We are hitting a sell effort zone. So I would like to see price not really return to there. So I'm gonna bring my stops to 29,190. That means we've secured another $100 on the day. Oh, what's that 208 level we've got there? This is a really nice push down. Lots of selling, all of the buyers getting eaten up. There's potential for me to add contracts here, but I don't really have a proper target for price, which is the sort of thing that's like putting me off. Like, I mean, you want to see the 1 hour candle right now is fucking crazy. I don't even know if this is gonna load. I don't have the data for it. Look at the size of that 1 hour candle compared to everything else. Like if I take all of these off, just so you can see price. Look at how big that candle is. It's crazy. Okay, let's get back. Let's get back on it. Let's get back on it. Actually, I'm gonna take that off. Price is looking like it's trying to stall a little bit here. I'm gonna draw my value area profile out. Get a break here, that'd be nice, but again, so I don't really want to come. So I'm gonna move my stops to 140 now. And this is what trade management is all about. You don't want a good trade to turn into a loss. It's just not worth it. So you either want to take partials if that's your thing, or if you're like me and you just want to try and take the move down with as many cons as you can, then trailing stops is the way to do that.
Order filled.
Okay, order filled. That's me out there at one. What was the execution there? 147.50. 147. 147.50. So managed to catch a nice 2.28 R on that one. I mean, it was basically risk-free because I was break-even on it fucking straight away, boys. So, finishing the day up $600, 2 wins, and a couple of small losses, which is fine. And on that note, that is going to be me for the day. So what I'm going to do is capture a screenshot of that. I'm going to go record my trades, and yeah, not sure if anybody's even watching this, but if you are, thank you, and I will be live every day at 9:30, around about 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, so New York Open, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow if you're going to come and watch me make some money. So yeah, let me work out how to stop the stream.